Good morning. Today we are going to learn the poem Basket Full of Moonlight. Please open your books at page number 18. The poem is very easy. The poem expresses the emotions of the child who is requesting to the moon to give him moonlight with the seeds of it. The poem is an example of free verse. Free verse means there is no rules and regulations of stanza pattern and rhyme scheme. That is why it is called as free verse. प्रस्तुत कविता ही फ्री वर्सचं एक्झाम्पल आहे. फ्री वर्स म्हणजे ज्या पोएममध्ये स्टांजा पॅटर्न आणि राईम स्कीम हे नियम ह्या नियमाचं पालन केलं जात नाही, त्याला फ्री वर्स असं म्हणतात. पुस्तकं उघडा, पेज नंबर 18वर या. Title Basket Full of Moonlight. The poem is written by, we will look at the poet Sunil Sharma, and in bracket translated from Dogri. What do you mean by Dogri? It is the name of language. In our country, India, 22 languages are authorized languages. And Dogri is one of them. Dogri, it is the name of language. Okay. Sunil Sharma has translated this poem from Dogri language into English. Now, very first opening stanza, lines. There is no stanza. Oh moon, give me moonlight, basket full or 2 baskets full, with seeds of moonlight. In the beginning lines, the child is requesting moon, oh moon, give me moonlight. He is requesting moon to give him moonlight. Basket full or 2 baskets full. And he also wants seeds of moonlight. कवितेच्या सुरुवातीला त्या छोट्या मुलाने चंद्राला अशी विनंती केलेली आहे की मला प्रकाश पाहिजे. किती पाहिजे? बास्केट फुल, टोपलीवर, और 2 बास्केट्स फुल किंवा 2 टोपली पाहिजेत मला, आणि मला त्याचे सीड्ससुद्धा पाहिजेत. सीड्स कशाला मग? तर त्याला त्याच्या गावापासून शहरापर्यंत त्या बियांची पेरणी करायची आहे, जेणेकरून जास्त प्रमाणामध्ये चंद्र उगवतील आणि त्या खेड्यापासून शहरापर्यंत प्रकाश होईल. एका छोट्या मुलाची कल्पना आहे, काल्पनिक आहे, इमॅजिनरी. फ्रॉम द सिटी टू माय विलेज, ऑन द साइड्स ऑफ द पाथ, आय वॉन्ट टू सो मेनी small small moons of light. The whole village goes to the city daily to work. Now the child is saying that from the city to my village, on the sides of path, I want to sow many small small moons of light. Child wants to sow many moons along the path of village. Small small moons of light. The whole village goes to the city daily to work. The village is having a lot of laborers, farmers, working class people, and those people go to the city for work purpose. That is why here child is saying that the whole village goes to the city daily to work. It becomes dark on its way back, as my village is quite far. The route is tough and full of snakes and scorpions. Neither bus nor cart plies. When my father returns home, I am asleep. Now the child is saying that whole village goes to the city daily to work. Villagers go to the city for working purpose and they come back very late when there is a darkness, and they need more time to reach to the village from the city, because Everywhere there is a darkness. It becomes dark on its way back, as my village is quite far. Child's village is very far from the city, and all villagers return on foot, and they need time. The road is very dangerous, very tough, as it is full of snakes and scorpions. There is no light, that is why there is a risk of life. Neither bus nor cart plies. There is no bus to my village from the city, no cart. Plies, PLIES, plies म्हणजे ये जा करणे, अप डाऊन करणे. When my father returns home, I am asleep. जेव्हा माझे वडील शहरावरून घरी परत येतात तेव्हा मी झोपलेला असतो, कारण वडिलांना शहरावरून गावात येण्यासाठी फार वेळ लागतो आणि त्याच्यामुळे मला रस्त्याच्या दोन्ही बाजूला चंद्रप्रकाश त्याचे बिया पेरणी करायची आहे, जेणेकरून जास्त प्रमाणामध्ये चंद्र उगवतील आणि प्रकाश होईल आणि माझे वडील घरी लवकर येतील. पण सध्या माझे वडील घरी येतात, उशिरा येतात. नेक्स्ट लाईन. And he goes back early in the morning while I am sleeping. Child's father goes to the city for work very early in the morning, when child in the state of sleeping. Child's father returns at home very late in the night when child is in the state of sleeping. Means both the times the child is in the state of sleeping. That is why the child wants to meet his father. Oh moon, give me a basket full of moonlight on loan. Once again the child is requesting to the moon, give him a basket full of moonlight on loan. Imagination. The child is imagining, I want to light the dark route so that my father returns early. The child is very innocent. He is thinking in his imagination, I too want to hear fairy tales and stories from him. The child wants his father back very early. Why? Because he wants to hear fairy tales and stories from him. त्या मुलाला वाटते की माझे वडील शहरावरून गावाकडे लवकर आले पाहिजेत, कारण त्याला गोष्टी ऐकायच्या आहेत, फेरी टेल्स ऐकायचे आहेत. फेरी टेल्स म्हणजे काय? पऱ्यांच्या गोष्टी, परी. स्टोरीज फ्रॉम हिम, आणि गोष्टी ऐकायच्या आहेत. आपल्यालासुद्धा आपल्या आईवडिलाकडून, आजोबाकडून, पणजोबाकडून, जे कोणी वडीलधारी मंडळी घरामध्ये अवेलेबल आहे त्यांच्याकडून गोष्टी ऐकायला आवडते. त्याच पद्धतीनं हे छोटे मुलंसुद्धा प्रयत्न करत आहे की माझे वडील लवकर आले पाहिजेत. पण वडील लवकर आले पाहिजे तर मग काय करावं लागेल? तर प्रकाश असायला पाहिजे शहरापासून गावापर्यंत, जेणेकरून त्यांना लवकर दिसायला लागेल आणि गावामध्ये ते पोचतील. पुढे. ओ मून, गिव्ह मी अ बास्केट फुल ऑफ मूनलाईट. आय वॉन्ट टू सो सीड्स ऑफ मून ऑन द साइड्स ऑफ द पाथ. Once again, the child is requesting to the moon, I want to sow seeds of moon on the sides of the path. The poem is an imaginary poem. It is an example of free verse. The child is requesting to the moon to give him moonlight with seeds, because he wants to sow many moons along the path of village to the city, as he wants to hear stories, fairy tales from his father. That is why he is requesting again and yet again. Very simple poem, students. Read line by line. Thanks.